Why Asiatic black bears endangered? Asiatic black bears extinct from the environment mainly due to habitat destruction and poaching for gallbladders and paws. This affects the sustainability of the ecosystem in southern Asia, northeastern China, far eastern Russia, and Japan. Asiatic black bears are glamorous mammals with medium-sized heavy body. The V-shaped white fur in the chest is the most distinctive feature. The average body length is 140 to 265 centimeters and weight around 90 to 150 kilograms. Bears can walk and stand for their hind legs for short distance. Food sources of bears vary according to the areas and seasons. Grasses, herbs, and buds are the preferred foods in spring and berries and nuts in summer. The Asiatic black bears have considered as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species 2015. According to the 1994 statistic, the number of Asiatic black bears in China is less than 20,000 individuals. They are endangered now and urgently must be protected. Habitat loss due to deforestation, timber harvest and population growth, poaching for gallbladders, skin and paws, lack of food especially during winter, selling cubs as pets, and used to entertain tourists are the main threats for Asiatic black bears. Tropical rainforests and oak forests are the ideal habitats for black bears. Rapid increase of human population and development, timber harvest, deforestation and expansion of roadways are the main causes of habitat loss for black bears. Hence, habitats of these big mammals have gradually decreased over the recent years. Gallbladders, paws, and the black skin of bears have a large economical value, and killing a bear for the illegal market could earn more money. 78.5% of black bears were poached for their gallbladders and paws. The bear's bile is used to cure many diseases such as liver cancer. Bear bone glue and bear fat are also a medicine and a tonic. Therefore, the population of bears are declining rapidly due to poaching. Effective conservation of Asiatic black bears in China requires increased protection, reduced demand for bear products, better human-wildlife conflict resolution, and increased education. Education programs can increase local people's tolerance towards wildlife, and it will help to convince people that wild bears have a value and thus deserve to be protected. Also, improve positive attitudes about bears among local people might indirectly benefit bears. How we can act to save Asiatic black bears. Change attitudes of local people towards bears. Increase educational programs to explain about the importance of Asiatic black bears to the ecosystem. Discourage bear products. Increase breeding programs and allocate more funds for the organizations and for the government bodies who are responsible are the some ways we can act to save Asiatic black bears.